Hello, like I mentioned last week, this is a slightly shorter video than usual, but welcome back to it anyway. So, some of you may have seen this video already, the actual customizing of this figure. If you haven't, there'll be a link in the description to it below. So this is just a PS4 Select Spider-Man that I customized with other bits because it was already destroyed. Again, if you watch that video, you'll completely understand what I mean, but it was not in great shape. But this is just to showcase what can happen if you've got a few random bits lying around and a little bit of creativity. So I had this Invisible Woman force field in my box of fodder, this little offcut of metal steel, and a pack of green stuff or Needetite. So the first thing I did is I just mixed up a bit of this Needetite, chucked it on the force field effect, added the metal rod, fitted it into the actual arm to make sure it fits properly, and smoothed it slightly. Did a load more tendrils to make it look more venomish. Now I didn't blend this into the arm, I just pushed it gently so that I could pop it back off afterwards. And then I primed it and hit it with the same gloss black that it had to begin with. And you can see it blends in really nicely, it's got a really nice finish to it. And it's really just that simple, just little bits like that can just take your figures to, or your custom figs to the next level. A very, very simple upgrade. Just random bits that I had lying around that I thought would work very nicely for this figure in particular. And you can see it just works, it goes with the character. He has a little bit more personality, it almost looks like a bullet shield or some form of shield for him. And yeah, the gooey black works quite nicely to obviously give the Venom effect. You can see here how it works just with the character itself. But yeah, again, just a short video to showcase what happens when you've got a little bit of creativity and a load of random stuff lying about on your desk. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in next week's video, which should definitely be more like a 10-minute video than just a song length video. But thank you.